if we could just give a very basic definition of racism, it we could say that it's the beliefs, our personal beliefs, and they're based on our beliefs in our personal race or a race that is superior to
Yeah.
another.
Yep.
So the context that I want to bring into it is that if we look at it from that way, from that perspective, that a belief in one's race that may be superior to another, I kind of attribute it to the race, or if we want to look at it from a belief system rather than the color of skin, but we could tie them together, a belief system and then the color of law enforcement would be blue. So the race of law enforcement may be blue, and that stands at times above, it's stronger than even the race that one themselves may hold.
That's deep.
And so if you're functioning under the race of blue, then you're going to back and support your peers, regardless of what happens. And the perspective is that the color blue or the race of blue is superior to any other race. And so my evidence of that is the recent Tyree Nichols. I'm sorry, Tyree Nichols. The violence that was imposed on him, and coming from 5 black officers on 1 black member of the community. So we see a black on black violence happening there. And so I have to ponder that and think, how could that happen? We seek to bring in more people of color into law enforcement to help mitigate those problems and to kind of break up some of the barriers that we're seeing, where we're seeing a lot of white police officers imposing violence over people of color.